Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start building a brand with Hootsuite, beginner guide step by step clearly. To start building a brand with Hootsuite, begin by creating an account on the Hootsuite website. Visit the Hootsuite homepage and click on the sign up button. Choose a plan that suits your needs, whether it's free or a paid option with more features. Fill in your personal details, including your email address and a secure password. Confirm your account by checking your email for a verification message from Hootsuite. Once logged in, connect your social media accounts by navigating to the My Profile section. Click on Connect to Social Network, then select the platforms you want to include, such as Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. Authorize Hootsuite to access your accounts by following the on-screen prompts. After connecting your accounts, explore the Hootsuite dashboard where you can manage all your social media in one place. Familiarize yourself with the interface, paying attention to the streams that show your social media activity. To start creating content, click on Composer at the top of the dashboard. Craft engaging posts by adding text, images, and links, keeping your brand voice in mind. Use the scheduling feature to plan your posts for optimal engagement times. Choose a date and time for each post by selecting the calendar icon before scheduling. Monitor your brand's performance by checking the review insights related to your post's engagement, reach, and audience demographics. Adjust your content strategy based on these insights to improve future posts. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and messages directly from the Hootsuite dashboard. Consider using Hootsuite's listening tools to track brand mentions and industry trends. Utilize these features to enhance your brand's messaging and stay relevant in your niche. Continuously refine your approach by implementing feedback and analyzing performance metrics. With consistent effort and strategic planning, Hootsuite can become a powerful tool in building your brand. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.